Hello guys and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm very glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous video we were checking out a software called Nim. It's a software used to create videos. It's called Nim.video. You can create images using prompts and then use those images to create videos. You can add audio, you can add lip sync, you can upload your voice. And all in all, there are a bunch of tools that you can use in this software. I'm using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. In the previous video, we created a really short video using some of the basic tools of the software. If you haven't checked it out, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check it out so you can get up to speed with what we were doing with the software previously. Today we're going to be checking out another tool of the software. We're going to be creating a character and adding some lip sync to that character so it moves its mouth. So as always, I'm going to make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So these are some of the videos and images that we created in the previous video. As I told you, we created a really short video using these three images, the forest background and these two characters. We even added audio to those images. But today we're gonna be using a character. You can generate your character using the image, or you can upload a character as well. So we are gonna create a really simple character that we can use with the lip sync option. So I'm gonna ask the software to create a human character from Colombia. Let's click on generate and see what the software does. It takes a couple of seconds to render the image, and this is the character that the software created. Once we have our image, as we did on the previous video, we can click on it and we can click on image to video. We can specify what we want our character to be doing. The character is moving her mouth and moving around. Something really simple. We can click on generate, and once again the software is going to take a couple of seconds to create the short video based on the image that it created. So this is the video that the software creates. As you see, your character is moving her mouth and is moving around a bit. We can reuse the inputs if we want to use this same prompt for another video. We can upscale it, we can add sound, we can go to the clip editor, but right now we're going to check out the lip sync tool. If we click right here, we can choose from different options. We can choose from the speech source. We can add the text that we want our model to be saying, or we can upload a sound for the model to say it. We can upload our sample voice if we want to use our voice, or we can choose from a bunch of different voices on the library of Nim. Right now, this one is the one that is selected.
Hello, this is an AI voice test.
But we can choose from a bunch of other ones, such as this one.
Hello, this is an AI voice test.
Hello, this is an
Or this one.
Hello, this is an AI.
And there is a short description on the right. There are some male voices as well.
Hello, this is an AI.
Hello, this is an AI voice test. How do you like my voice?
I think I like the first one best. And you can write whichever you want the model to be saying. So this is just a really short example of what you can do with the software. I'm just gonna make the model say, hello, I'm Laura and I live in Colombia. You can also change the model that you want to be used in this video. And once everything is done, you can click on generate. And once again, it's gonna take a couple of seconds to generate the clip with the voice and the lip sync added to that voice. So this is the video with the audio and the lip sync.
Hello, I'm Laura, and I live in Colombia. Hello, I'm Laura, and I live in Colombia.
As you see, the lip movement is really well adjusted with the text. It's a really short text, so the final video is a bit shorter. It's only 3 seconds long. But if we were to add a much larger script, the video would be larger as well. If we go to the clip editor right here, we can further edit our video. We can trim it, we can reverse it, we can add sound, we can make it faster or slower. As in the previous videos, we can make a really short video using this video, adding it to the show reel. Let's create another character so we can see what the software is capable of. This is the original prompt. If you click right here on rewrite, the software is going to make it a bit more detailed and a bit longer. This is the description that the software adds. It's a bit longer. If we click on generate, let's see what the software creates. This is the image that the software created with this really large description. Let's make this a video once again. Let's use the same prompt that the software created and click on generate. So this is the short video that the software created. It's just the Italian guy walking around with the outfit that the prompt describes, the hair and the style. Once again, if we go to lip sync, we can add something that we want the character to say. We can this time choose will, and we can add a script that's a bit longer. So this is the speech that I wrote. I love living in Italy. My name is Mario, and walking around Rome is one of my favorite things in the world. If we click on generate, once again, the software is going to take a couple of seconds to render the audio and add the lip sync. So let's check out the video with the audio and the lip sync.
I love living in Italy. My name is Mario, and walking around Rome is one of my favorite things in the world.
As you see, the lip sync and the audio is really well adjusted. It looks like he's really saying that script. And as always, you can go to the bottom and check out all the different videos that people have created using similar prompts. If we go to more tools, for example, we could restylize it and we can choose a different model for the video. We can, for example, use an animation style. And if we click on generate, the video is going to be generated in a different style. This one is realistic, but we chose animation. So let's see what the software does in that case. So this is the new video that the software created using an animation style, the audio that we added, and the movement that we added on the first prompt.
I love living in Italy. My name is Mario, and walking around Rome is one of my favorite things in the world.
As you see, the lip sync is not that good in the animation style. It does much better in the realistic style, but the animation as a whole is really cool, and it really reimagined the way that the original clip looked. So as you see, creating a short video using realistic people is really easy using Nim.video. You can create a character and use it in a bunch of different scenarios for a bunch of different reasons. And the lip sync does really well in the realistic kind of style. It is really amazing how fast the software works at creating images, with those images creating videos, and with those videos adding lip sync. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. As always, my name is Santiago. There are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use to get some credits. I want to read all of your comments down below. If you've already used the software or not, let me know your opinions. Once again, if you subscribe to the channel, you're not gonna miss out any of the videos that we're gonna be uploading. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.